Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HOTWAV Note 12 and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to find the display. Now let's scroll and tap on screen timeout, and as you can see here we've got some options from which we can choose. So currently we've got a 1 minute option applied. As you can see, this option is marked. At the top we've got relatively short options, and at the bottom the longest one, which is 30 minutes. So all you have to do is to simply tap on the option. I will pick 10 minutes. And after getting back, you can see that it is immediately notified right here, which simply means that from now on your device will black out after 10 minutes of inactivity. So that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.